everyone, welcome to How To For You. Today I am going to show you the second stage of a washing process that I had first showed you. On an original video, I made a video on how you should exactly clean your car, and this is going to be the follow-up stage 2 video about the waxing and polishing. So after you've cleaned your car completely, you will want to get a couple things. You'll want to get first one of these clay bar kits, and I'll put a link in the description for all of these products. So you're going to want to first clay bar the area that you want to clean, and then you want to polish up with a wax substance. So you'll want to get both of these, and I'll show you how to do that right now. So before I get started on showing you how to apply these products, I did want to show you the worst part about my car that I'm going to do, which is the hood. Now, most of hoods for cars are going to have the most damage just because with the wind and dirt and debris coming from the road, they're going to get hit. Now, you can't see this, but there's a lot of bumps even after I just really cleaned this car. So what we're going to need to do, put the clay bar on in order to take off a lot of these bumps. So first we're going to want to get our instant detailer here in the kit, and we are going to want to shake it really well. So shake it up. Next we're going to apply it to the surface. So this whole hood is so big, I'm going to actually first focus on the left hand side. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to spray it, and then I'm going to take this clay, and I did take a little piece off of it, and I'm just going to rub it up and down until I get some specks in that, and then fold it over and keep doing it. So check this out. Now I'm just going to hit it with that clay bar. And I just want to show you as I'm going along here, look at all of those little bits and pieces. This is what we don't want to keep putting back in. So as we keep getting it, we'll want to keep just changing it in the piece of clay. Just keep taking that, folding it, just going up and down. And I don't know if you can see this, but that's actually so brown. So it just shows how much dirt is actually in there. We're then gonna take a nice dry, clean microfiber towel, and we're just gonna clean that off. Go up and down, clean that area off right there. I know you can't actually feel it, but the difference between here and then here is just like night and day. This is just so clean. I don't feel any of those bumps at all on this side. So pretty remarkable what the clay bar will do. So now I'm just gonna move to the other side. I'm gonna tear off some new clay just because that other one was so dirty, and we're gonna finish the other half. And at this stage, what I would do is I would just run your hand up and down all the parts. And if you feel anything rough, just go back and do it again. Now for the second stage, you're gonna take this lithium gloss sauce. And what you are gonna wanna do is you're gonna wanna make sure you do this in 2 parts. So you're first gonna take some and you're gonna put it on a dry, clean microfiber towel, and you're gonna move it up and down as well as side to side and buff it till it gets dry. Then you're gonna take another clean, dry microfiber towel, and you're just gonna rub it in until it's all good. So just like before, shake it up and then apply some on the towel here. Again, I'm just gonna do that first half, and then I'm gonna do the other half. And again, this one says you wanna go up and down, and then eventually you wanna go back and forth. Let's make sure we do that. Just get that all dry. Now we're gonna let that dry and do the other side. So final stage, we're gonna let that dry a few minutes, then we're gonna come in with another clean and dry microfiber towel, clean it all off, and then we'll check those results. All right, now let's look at those results. So I don't know if you can see, but when I feel the surface of this, it is just completely buttery smooth. There's no bumps or anything. Now I do have a few nicks and scratches here. That's from rocks. I can't really change that. But so far, this is the minimum that you should do. Again, you wanna wash it, clean it, then you want to clay bar it, and then finally you wanna wax it. So it's a big 3-step process. Again, you do wanna always do this in the shade. As you can see, there's sun out there, but it's shaded here. This is just the hood, so ideally you'll wanna do the rest of the car. But yeah, this is the very minimum that I would do for cleaning, waxing, polishing, cleaning up your car. Appreciate you guys so much for watching. Please like and subscribe.